In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar in just 2 minutes. This integration is a great way to keep track of your tasks and deadlines efficiently by having them appear alongside your existing calendar events. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Trello homepage. Open your web browser and type in Trello.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to provide your login credentials to access your Trello account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Trello dashboard, listing all the boards you have access to. Next, choose the board that you want to sync with your Google Calendar. Click on the board to open it up. This board should be the one where you've scheduled tasks that you want mirrored on your calendar. It's important to select the correct board because only the cards within it will be synced. Once you've opened your desired board, look for the calendar button located at the top of the board interface. Click on it to switch to the calendar view. This view will display all your Trello cards that have due dates set up neatly arranged in a calendar format. It's a useful visual and helps make sure you don't overlook any impending deadlines. To initiate the sync, you'll need to get your Trello calendar link. On the top right corner of the calendar view, you'll notice a gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this gear or settings icon to open the settings menu. Here you'll see an option to copy URL. Click on that, and the iCal URL for your Trello board will be copied to your clipboard. This URL is what you will use to sync Trello with Google Calendar. Now let's move over to Google Calendar. Open a new tab in your browser and visit Google Calendar. Once you're there, look at the left side of the screen where it lists various calendars. Just below your list, you'll find a section called Other Calendars. Next to it, there's a plus button. Click on that, and in the drop-down menu that appears, select From URL. A dialog box will appear asking for a URL. Paste your Trello iCal URL into this box. Once done, simply click on Add Calendar, and that's it. Your Trello cards, along with their due dates, will appear on your Google Calendar. This seamless integration allows you to keep all your deadlines and commitments in one convenient place, making it easier to manage your schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow and stay organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Have a great day.